Hello students, today we are going to learn module 4 from our English grammar subject. So everyone take out your English composition book and start to write with me. In this module we will learn sentence dictation, name pictures, object pronouns, answer question based on picture 1 and picture 2. So let's we start. Exercise 1, sentence dictation. So the first sentence is the policewoman is near the traffic light. Then the second sentence, the rabbits eat guavas and grapes. Then the third sentence is the chef used tomatoes, onions and potatoes for the dish. Then the fourth sentence is the elephant has a long trunk. Then the fifth sentence is I saw a tiger at the zoo. Everyone have to complete these sentences as it is, okay? Then next, exercise 2.1. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the pictures. So the first picture is peanuts. So we have to complete the spelling of peanuts. Peanuts, peanuts. Then in the second picture, squirrel is there. So we have to complete the spelling of squirrel. Squirrel, squirrel. Then what is in the next picture? That is the forest. So we have to complete the spelling of forest. Forest, forest. Then in the next picture we can see tiger is there. So we have to complete the spelling of tiger. Tiger. Then what is in the next picture? That is the winter. So we have to complete the spelling of winter. Winter. Then in the next picture we can see balloons are there. So we have to complete the spelling of balloons. 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 Exercise 2.2. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the pictures. So students, you can see here it is the first picture is a flower. So we have to complete the spelling of flower. Flower, flower. And in the second picture we can see the monkey is short. So we have to complete the spelling of short. Short, short. Then in the third picture we can see leaves are there. So we have to complete the spelling of leaves. Leaves, leaves. Then in the fourth picture we can see light is there. So we have to complete the spelling of light. Light, light. Then in the next picture we can see boys are playing. So we have to complete the spelling of play. Play, play. In the next picture we can see crayons are there. So we have to complete the spelling of crayons. Crayons, crayons. Then next is the grammar part. Pronouns. We know that naming words are called nouns. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. Example, Ram is a boy. He is 5 years old. Second example, Taffy is a turtle. She is very old. Students, in these sentences you can see two pronouns are used. That is he and she. He is using for the Ram and she is using for the Taffy. Let's we see subject and object pronouns. Most sentences have a subject and an object. The subject of a sentence is the person or thing doing the action. The object of a sentence is the person or thing receiving the action. For example, Rita ate an apple. In this sentence, Rita is a subject and apple is an object. Always remember students, pronouns replace nouns. A subject pronoun replaces the subject in a sentence. Like she ate an apple. In this sentence, she is the subject pronoun. Then an object pronoun replaces the object in a sentence. Rita ate it. So in this sentence, it is the object pronoun here. Now read the given sentence. She ate it. So in this sentence, she is the subject pronoun and it is the object pronoun. Subject pronouns are in singular I, you, he, she, it, and in plural we, you, they. And object pronouns in singular form, that is the me, you, him, her, it, and in plural form us, you, them. Let us we see some examples of subject pronouns. I like your dress. She is my friend. And examples of object pronouns. Can you help me? I can see him. Let's we see replacing nouns with pronouns. Mohit can see Sahil. Mohit waves to Sahil. Mohit greets Sahil. Here we can use he in place of Mohit and him in place of Sahil after the first time. Like Mohit can see Sahil, he waves to him, he greets him. I hope you understand this concept. So let's we see the next exercise. Exercise 3.1. State if the underlined pronouns are subject pronouns or object pronouns. The first sentence is he threw the ball to me. So in this sentence the underlined pronoun is the object pronoun. Then in the second sentence it beat me hard. So in this sentence underlined pronoun is the subject pronoun. Then in the third sentence you like to eat ice cream. So in this sentence underlined pronoun is the subject pronoun. Then in the next sentence I do not know that. So in this sentence I is the subject pronoun. Next in the fifth sentence the teacher did not call him. So in this sentence him is the object pronoun. Then in the next sentence we are very happy to hear that. So in this sentence we is the subject pronoun. Next exercise is the 3.2. Rewrite the sentences with the correct object pronouns for underlined nouns. First example is already given there, so let's we see the second example. Mother read a story to Poonam and Shreya. The answer is mother read a story to them. Then third, the clown did a trick for the students. So the answer is the clown did a trick for them. Then 4. My dog came with the bone to the garden. So the answer is my dog came with it to the garden. Then 5th, the teacher gave Ayaz a new book. So the answer is the teacher gave him a new book. Then 6th, a baker gave Bhumi and me a cake. So the answer is the baker gave us a cake. Then exercise 3.3. Replace the underlined word with the suitable subject and object pronouns. Tejas is painting a picture. Tejas makes many paintings. Tejas always takes good care of his paintings. Reena is cycling. Reena is wearing her outdoor dress and a hat. The hat is round. Reena likes wearing the hat. Ravi and Rohan are running. Chetan is fishing. Ravi, Rohan and Chetan are having a good time. So the correct answer is Tejas is painting a picture. He makes many paintings. Tejas always takes good care of them. Reena is cycling. She is wearing her outdoor dress and a hat. The hat is round. She likes wearing it. Ravi and Rohan are running. Chetan is fishing. They are having a good time. Next exercise, answer questions based on a picture. Exercise 4. Look at the picture. Answer the questions given below. Then write a short paragraph of 5 sentences to describe the picture. So first hint is given there. Put the answer sentences together to form your paragraph. So the first question is, what place is this? This is a classroom. The next question, who is standing near the board? Answer, the teacher is standing near the board. And question number 3, what is the teacher teaching? Answer, the teacher is teaching about the weather, oblique how it rains. Then question number 4, who is listening to the teacher? How are they listening? Answer. The students are listening to the teacher. They are listening with interest, oblique attention. Question number 5. How does the classroom look? Answer. The classroom looks bright and colorful. Now write the paragraph here. This is a classroom. The teacher is standing near the board. She is teaching about the weather, how it rains. The students are listening to the teacher. They are listening with interest and attention. The classroom looks bright and colorful. Everyone have to complete this paragraph as it is. Now here it is, our module 4 is completed.